Yeah, my name is Dylan Ammerman. I live in the smallish town of Mora, Minnesota. I have a 2002 Ford Taurus, and I had just gotten this car, and it had all sorts of problems. Just got hit by two deer, and all of a sudden I ended up finding this thing called 100% pure snake oil, and I was a little hesitant on getting it at first, but I ended up getting it and trying it out, like any other product. And all of a sudden, I'm noticing my car is running smoother. My engine is purring basically like a truck. It almost seemed like Jesus himself touched the engine of the car. It's running so smoothly. It is unbelievable. Almost like I never would have thought that would have happened. I had so much, like, I've never heard it before, so I had a lot of, disbelief. And all of a sudden, yeah, not only is my gas mileage running, smoother, but my car as well, too. Everything is just going perfectly. I mean, it is unbelievable how much things are going super well. And it's like, people need to know of this product. It is an amazing product that hardly anybody knows about. Everybody is super unsure of whether to put this in their car, and it's like, all you got to do is take a leap of faith, and that is it. You'll instantly see results almost the moment that you turn on your car. It's like you get kind of like a sense or a feeling that you can kind of hear your car already cleaning, and it is just unbelievable. I mean, I put it in, I started it for 2 minutes, left it running, turned it off, started it back up. I mean, even in that 2 minutes, I could already hear something in my vehicle changing. And then after I started it up the second time with it fully, kind of starting to go through, it was unbelievable. Just unbelievable how fast it happened, how good it is. I mean, it's a one-time buy. And I am so far, there are no regrets on my end, and people need to hear about this and be able to have the opportunity to put this in their car if they still think that that's something for them. Because people need to know about it at least, because it's an amazing opportunity that nobody should have to pass